To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Let me see if we can. I'll call the boss. Oh, see dog over there, so? See dog? Hello, bossy. I have one problem. Yeah, me there me yarn. Yeah, you can go and give me a... Yes, me need her. Yes. Alright. Now wait for your ear. Bossy, nobody come now. Here we go now. This me want to tell you. I see my babysitter. I call her how long I know me can't see her. I know me I call her but I can't get her. So at this me really I call her to tell her. Yes. I'm there how long I wait for her. I understand, but there is no way I can come and borrow and baby now come catch him from my side. So make us start get so upset. Awa. Yeah, boss, but I remember say I'm a baby. And if me there so and he always have been babysitter and then this one time know what go wrong, she not take the call. Cause after me don't talk to you, me call again and she not answer. Alright. Alright.
guess what? It's basically a thing where you have to understand the dreams. You have to have dreams and vision. It can't be one thing where you just say you just go and be practical. Yeah, no people say being practical is something where if they don't see it, they can't believe it. You have to have dreams, then them put it to the practical form. And so you make things come into action and come into play. You understand? You have to believe in yourself, and that they talk about. Yeah, see it now and then call for interview. So yes, you can't doubt yourself. Oh, man. You good? Well, yeah, man. I'm my sister come check, man. You see me a talk, but you're gone on that again. Jealousy, now gonna make things work, you know. Jealousy, say something, Pinky, say something.
Well, go on, I'm there.
You know, tell you, man, so if you don't hear advice, it's like you want to believe in the truth. Some people for easy, you know. See, look, boy get biggie, man. Hey, boy. Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, so, maybe what she has said. As she alone come, are you alone come? Jesus Christ, as she alone come, she alone there. She the baby there. You make it sound like she come with two girls, forgive me? No, man, relax the man. Go to the interview and make sure everything alright with you, everything nice. Yeah? Yeah. I mean, man, I love your girl. Mwah. Mwah. I'm afraid for some love you, I kiss you. What do you mean? When we do my birthday, I'm not do that. Yeah, you're just easy, man, you see. We can't do that, so you can run up man. Yeah, man, that time, man. Alright, cool. So, me watch you say. Later. Yeah, me say I love you, yeah. Alright. Oh, God. You good? Eh?
So I'm going to take a shot.
General! Eh? Where you going? Kiss down, man. Sit down and relax yourself, man. Alright. So, I turn this. So, boy, my bad boy from morning.
Where are we going now?
Hey, look, sir.
They don't want to check it right now. I'm telling you on the street.
Like what?
Of your woman,
I may have to ask you on the phone, get an interview with a girl. Finally, she get a little up. Don't go on, my boy. She not get it yet, but I feel like she'll get it because, then call her, fit that they work enough to start out. So.
And as she come and say, I come check her now, because I want somebody to watch the baby for me. Because I get a work, I get a bar work, and I want somebody to watch the baby. And the babysitter, when he's supposed to come, she don't come nowhere. So what me I go do now?
Oh. So for your babysitter, you understand and know say when I do work. So how she do that to you? Come boy,
she
don't
tell me
go
say
so
she
far.
a come and know. She not answer a call. And me have to go up on the work.
So you plan to pay her still?
Yeah. Me have to go up on the work because the baby wants some things, I know, you understand?
So hold on, tell me something.
And I hit me a depend pan.
Why, sister, me tell you, God never treat nobody look that way, you know. Nobody look that way right now, me tell you, because sometimes when you need issues them, you have to look me way, me tell you, so me can't deal with you, you end up vex with me. Because I don't know how is it that sometimes people vex with people for them things. Me not have the things to give you, and you know what I mean, and sometimes, me not go so far still. But as me say, me not have it, you know. So if you're me, I come ask for, say, rate, over bar, bandy bar. A bandy bar, you work?
Yes. And guess what too? Me never come off a beg no me no. Me never come off a beg no. See that's why with family, you see them. Then just chat. One family love chat. Me want somebody to keep the baby now. So me can't go up on the work. What me supposed to do? What me I go do now? Carry him on my side.
You have to call the boss. You call the boss and tell me already?
I call her and tell her already.
I want to say. You sound vexed.
She say I get upset when I time.
See what? You never know see a breed before. Huh? You never know? So a problem if you have pitney? Boy, so when last year from that What? Me ask you a question.
Ask me from your father.
Yeah. If you want to say it, I'll make you hear.
Well, I can't tell when the last time I hear from where you were. Around 3-4 months ago. And him say, nothing now go on. Not even food in I eat at the time. So me want you see, single mother always have to go through it. We always have to go through one fight.
I can say something to you. And I say something to you, vex.
Talk your talk.
You see, you claim say you're a single mother. But and you put yourself with certain people where you don't see a future, you know. Or not see a future with. Or you see their lifestyle, but you're still second for that. Why you call yourself single mother and call yourself for now? Eh? When you have 9 months, remember say you never did about for 5 months, you know.
No more too loud. You must say shh.
Remember say you never did about for 5 months. And you still hold on for certain things and understand say that's how you go. You understand? So don't call yourself single. Make you go look somebody. Join back your relationship, your lifestyle and whatever the case may be and stop stress and struggle. You understand what I say?
So basically I tell me to take a man. We can help me and help him.
Yeah, that's the case.
So me not fi heal. Me not fi heal.
Heal from what?
Me not fi heal.
Our cut you. No push.
Hello, me and I said not true the woman where you have a take of it either down to a papa, you feel like say you want to tell me how to live my life, you know. You can't tell me how to live my life, you know. I'm never come after this. If one good time me say me want somebody to keep it, baby, I never.
Me not nobody to keep it.
So I can't keep it.
When me say me can keep man do what? Eh?
Take him.
Yo!
Bartender! So bartender takes so long. I'm feel cool like me a card you know long want a drink. I just hitch up round the box so.
Listen.
One drink of white rum there. Right now a good vibe to come for all you know. Can't manage. Just give me a drink of rum.
You just a chat and go away so.
Then you look how long me out here ball bartender, the beer around so and drink of white.
So listen to me. I only own a shop. I'm not a bartender. You hear? So I know you come here and contact about look how long you are as a bartender.
No, but are you there?
The bartender is late today.
I didn't see him sometime.
That's I'm not like coming and saying because people with your energy.
My energy. Let's fix me rum no man.
You don't say that, man.
But you kind of have argument you want with me, argument you want cuss and I just want something come for ask for look rum. Just throw the rum
I
out
don't
there.
want to ask me now. I buy you, I come buy it. Because I'm not for free.
Then what you think they are?
Oh.
No sir. Come here, you're a bartender, you know what
You want more rum? You want more
cup
rum?
of tea. Taste it first.
Yes, fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Feel drunk already.
Yeah.
What you say?
I didn't say anything.
Come soon to come at the bar at you know.
That's your business.
I be a disrespect, me come here and get disrespect anytime I reach at the bar.
You're the only person come buy from here?
No, me I'm not the only person, but at least my money counts too. That like my money no counts.
Our pink is so long.
Yes.
Now today, I started doing this pink. I want to make it take so long to reach.
Me never quarantine, so me not buy the kid baby.
Listen to me, I never remember that they called there, no. Kind of mistake you call me, so I not even know what you said to me. So where baby then now?
Huh?
Where is the baby?
You don't have to worry about the baby. Come here to do me work.
Okay, then come in the bar.
I'm a long way to take over. Because yeah, take something, yeah, take it down, you know. So yeah, what are we doing? No. Your face looks so.
I'm on Facebook. They have 99 problems right now.
I know.
But a man could never be one, so she drink and rum and mind own business.
Yeah, you must know if man are your problem, you know, because I never asked you nothing about that, you know.
Man, I'm light our salvation, mind a business, drink and rum.
You want man, I saw no man can have the attitude up. Like they sell attitude at shop.
Tell me something. You know me about gear system.
Yeah, but yeah, this now while ago.
No, tell me so you know me about the gear system.
How go on?
How you hear say? You don't let me come on a beat you.
Don't wait.
Yeah.
Where you hear that from? Where you hear that from? Where you hear that
I
from?
am here for the road say I come on a
You're
beat
mad,
you.
man. You're mad, man.
Yeah. I see you come drink rum. I see you going to a beat.
You're mad, man. Who tell you this here? Who tell you this here?
You're from a little bird, what are you
You're
saying?
from a little bird. A mischievous little bird that like crazy.
Little bird.
Nothing like that. Nothing
I
like
saw me
that.
know say man like a uno come as only no stress and pressure that come around there. You see how early there so?
How early me there?
How early there so you could wait till 9 to come country.
You're mad. I want to see you.
Yeah.
Who you say tell you this something?
I want you to make man.
Oh God, I know nothing no go so.
I do
Nothing no go
make
so.
you can get one drink.
Why? I say last money I want to do a tap them over my spaghetti shop and buy some things to help my grandma.
You know what? Why yeah? I don't know like on the broke deal. You come and say no why you want to chat pan dry show. And you can't even buy more little special.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Promise.
Tomorrow.
Promise.
Yeah, me.
So the friend how life a treat you. A long time I see you know.
Well, I tell you the truth, be things are going. Be things right now. From what day, it come like say all of my brethren there, then just can't see them neither. Be spot them on road and then more while they are in a hurry right now. Big little woman me a chat to right now, I tell me say, he want a piece of food or that I get to my brain on that time them and then.
Same one you beat you. Oh, it's same one
Oh
where
yeah, chat say.
same one where they are house with. No, I mistake man.
No, you know, so I have to look up books round so go check one of them, you know, then just deal with the decent one and just cut and give them a piece of food. But true,
Yo. You see you?
Smoke with a cause is a father.
Yo, what kind of vibes that you do? Eh? What you think I have money left to deal with me? You have to buy him sweetie to be for the last 10 in pocket. Eh?
Give me the sweetie.
Yo, give me a sweetie.
Give me
Give me my money for the sweet. Get it if you do.
Listen.
Eh?
You can't give me one of them.
Keep which one nephew? Eh? We are talking about keep my nephew.
Give box cover. You can't.
This is no, you can't get a sweet. Sorry. Me say give me my money and take your picnic. Take a picnic. I'm going to go. Eh? Take a picnic from me now.
Shame him.
What mean shame? No, you're not getting a sweetie, sir. Where me going sweetie? Tell the man to give me money for sweetie. Give me the money and you, hey, take a picnic. Brother, can you imagine, say me basically, they are my place.
Right now, me chest myself, you know, me can't listen to you right now.
Look here, my friend, come here. Come here. Hold the baby for 1 second, just 1 second.
Give me money for the sweetie. Give me
Just hold him for 1 minute.
Give me the money for the sweetie.
Hold him for 1 minute.
Come look, boy, come.
Hold him for 1 minute.
Come.
Hold him for 1 minute.
Give me money.
You're not no sense.
I'll fight.
Out of my business.
Back to the sweetie, yo.
Out of my business.
Give me my money. Let me shame you. The machine say, come here.
You go.
We are go.
Give me the sweetie.
Oh, we are go. So we are go.
Do yourself.
One bar me I come from Dal and down there vibes not right.
Oh yeah, so what? No agree done that.
Man down there no but I look at bartender and the boss. A big attitude me I get from down there man. You know like it.
That's why I'm not really got people place, no mistake I'm workplace, you know what I mean?
You know they want them not to like the vibes. Down there the active
True.
But you may have to really tell us some of you. If you have a day you know, you realize that be a post, ice is a post and one bag of be a things.
You know, so for one day the boy bingo do. The boy bingo buy one machine, you know. But since the boy bring a B6 massive truck, he now move right that he had to link with like first time. So we took a one pot in a man, the price and April and together.
I hit me a meds today there and I say, Jaja, and that's why I buy rum for meds more. Cause you know me not too.
My sister man, you know. So they have money. You know my friend them. So they broke in jar closer. You understand? We are talking about him, I could all see him. So anytime we talk about people like those people, you always see them, you know.
You always see, but not really see. Glimpse me always at the thing, that's why they wanna move.
A good while now, I don't see him.
Good while now, me
Good
not
while.
see him. But always he snaps, then me I look one, I watch he snaps and me I say,
Yo,
"Eh."
check his address, you know, black me too.
Him black you?
Yeah man, I'm going to snap again. Alright, Jay, what's up?
God. And then,
So differently, they are going chill now. Some damn business place, car wash. You know, it a go on. You understand, get 1 or 2 car a day time, but they know say, the business too long up in and thing, you know. So you have to believe the customer and get customer, you know.
right now, me I try look. I try look something to do with same.
So you don't come work at car wash?
No man, I don't work at car wash. Man, don't work at car wash, my friend.
And what you say?
Never work at car wash, me don't try.
So you prefer go mix men for people?
No, me don't do that neither. You know, say me mad, I mean, yeah, most
So
of
I'm gonna
it.
work, what can I talk about? Dining.
No. You know, two women up in the beach, a white girl them. Right now, they want to shoot a tour, but me get the link and me get the number, so they tell me so me can call when me ready for move with them. No, me tell them to call me when them ready for me move with them. Yeah, the one thing.
No, I understand.
And
So you have car put them in there?
that me a try.
You have car?
No, me can rent a car, but me a make more than the money me a rent.
Rent, guarantee this, you know.
You rent car too?
Yeah. See, guaranteed. Somewhere, as a good friend.
So much I rent.
Eh?
Much I rent.
For 1 week.
No, me no want no 1 week.
Where you want? Month?
No, 1 month. How much you rent car for your day? How much you do? How much you rent car for your day? How much you rent
Me?
car for your day?
Normally, if somebody else, you know, 20 can one. What you want you? Not accept
You don't want dealership, bro. So, yeah, you're a friend, you know, but me know their money there right now. Right now, their money there, they beat me. And how much do you say?
Eh? 1 week.
1 week.
Remember, you know?
1 day, I say more want it for. 1 day.
1 day.
Yeah, how much?
10-5. Nah, kiddo.
17 for a week and
10
10
for
for
a-
one. No, sir.
How would that they forward? How would that?
Top.
Then I know so from make 4,000 off it. Good. What you mean?
So I like the place that one.
Brother, lock. Till tomorrow morning again. One make $4,000, brother. I don't want to send him more. Send him back.
Can't believe my God. No man them a move so that. Can't believe me go up on the car wash dog and he come and say yo. The man them didn't want to wash the car for me daddy.
I me a pray na brother, come here say to myself say, how much man move so? The car wash and lock. The man them did it, then can't wash the car, brother.
You see pray?
Yeah, come here, I wonder say brother, yo, the man in a lock, you know. The man in a lock the place up and thing and them did their whole of vibes and so forth. But some people stay, brother, bad man is active.
You see what go on? They tell us that this is a weird daddy, man. Judge know you. Man, such a no. You want to know say that same boy that have your car wash run. I just try to do things and talk my father, you know. And me give him piece of dog when he tell me say, that thing you want to go do. When I say son thank you, you have the first in until I see. You go set up a big pipe and sitting in and power wash now, you know. And I really have to look for him and say I really wonder.
Everybody at one point thinks I'm a madman. And him just a trolling himself and rate so.
I will believe in a youth
Yeah,
and
tell
such, you
them,
know,
brother.
do it right, think I say I do the right. And look how man a violate me now.
Brother, don't worry about people. Just go on the way because people have one style and sometimes people that go to one level of elevation, them feel like say them forget it. So because them feel like them forget it, they don't want you get it. So them bad mind you because you get it. Oh, never get the message.
Alright, but that they want to get what me get. Because them beg say me I get it.
Yeah,
Me say
that
a
thing,
real
brother.
talk man, but all the next juvenile too. The next youth. Me say me and the next one, one bulb man, me see me and them boy there roll from we are beating here. So me see me pull him on one side. And I whisper in a man ears. Me I wonder if I him and I tell him man for lucky place for me too.
Why, you know. That possibly in brother.
Right now I piss a dog and it's a figgy ball bit, you know. Me say right now me kind of feel better me the game.
Never give me, true.
I can go beat up some juice a period right now.
Not that man. But like me say, just do what you have to do in the car. But yo, me personally still, me not left out of the bar till X time, you know. We drink and junk, you know, brother.
No.
Me I tell you that, you know.
Me not tell you no lie still, you know. We can have a good drink, you know. Anything we want, we can drink today, but watch, you know. Remember saying me no link up. My baby mother from when? You see me, I no want to go here say, yo boy, me go buy a car and you know the woman that tell me for next thing you say me I work this pan all kind of thing, brother. You know such a no?
Do it man, because I guess I know. To be honest with you, today, me and she even kind of want to go argument. Yeah man, me and she argue because the woman figure her work, figure her bar. And she figure her bar and she don't have a babysitter. Big man thing, me not go around nothing. Me not tell her plain and straight. She don't have her babysitter and she don't have a babysitter for her. So she a check me now and say she want my woman to watch a pitney.
Yeah.
So me I tell her say my woman do that because she have one interview for this on some work. Mama get vexed for me and say irritate me and say you can't get vexed for me.
No,
all you have to do.
You know, we are man thing, we don't know if you nurture them young pitney that's still in a dog.
But guess what woman do? The woman give me a pitney and run gone. So me carry the pitney go to the bar and say to her, say, you can't do them style there. Yeah. So I guess, yo, alright, me I tell you, who is sure, brother, I now go around and tell you. I guess, you see everything on him Bulby.
Yeah.
The next one, a Bulby name, what you?
Yes,
I say him. Yeah, man, him now, he went there bar, I walk through, I go and keep him bad and I go and show up him face and wait. You know, so maybe say him tell, this man that say he can't watch the car.
So wait there. When you with the vice go on with my baby mother, Bulby did that too?
But yeah, boy, when I buy.
And the vice go on and so him did it again?
Me I tell you, brother.
What kind of style them?
Not that I go on, brother, come here to the honestly. Me when I figure start out one little thing. So me, you don't know, some man not really, you know, they don't pick a certain way.
Just
we don't know if we mix tea and them something and change pampers and sit the brother. We don't depend on them style, brother. But me I tell you, say, you man, I'm going to tell you, say, do what you have to do. And before me could ever tell you, say, yo, go on babysitter, I want daycare, drop off a pitney, and I'm not even give her $1,000 if you can actually so keep a pitney.
Even 1,000 I have?
Brother, brother, I don't know what you have going with, brother.
Same thing, brother. I forgot to give my link and find out what my deal is. Can't carry the most of that day.
So you say now about a drink?
No, man. Oh, gosh, man, no. We are at the bar, man.
Alright, come in. Yeah, man, I'm here, say, brother. But I'm going to straight up and tell you everything what I want with you. You understand me, I say?
I better you tell me this, let me go here again.
No, that man, because people talk things and twist and put in a film on me and say this answer, me say this answer. You understand me, I say? Yeah, come in, brother. Hold on, vibes, yeah. Yeah, out there.
I'm free now. You promise her?
Where you job from?
I see beast, man. I see beast. You go and hear say beast job.
No, man, tell me something.
Go and hear say beast job.
Fly by day, pitch by night. Tell me something now. You're gone over 5 months now, and I left you pick up on me one. And you come back in a big fat. Where you call it? What kind of car that day?
I say I'm mad Suzuki then.
I want a mad Suzuki them if you buy Suzuki, you see the shape like a car and look like a car. Let me tell you something, you know. Where you come here for? Because I could never come here so you can disturb my peace right now.
No, you want to know, remember say, you know, as I say, 5 months in the foot, you know.
Yeah, you know, send the money for your picnic. You work list, there's a work list, baby father, you work list
no,
bad.
No, man, put that in it, man. No.
You worse than dog.
We work, I put the less to hit, mama.
You worse than dog. How you go?
I tell you, say, mama, watch you, man. No, say a good way I'm in there, so. I'm not going to say, that's why I have to rate to take your whole out tears, me. I mean, you go and take care of it, say make you good, don't you? I say we have to pull up your foot. Because you know, God starts smiling with the youth now. So you have to come bless it too, you know, you have to come grease at the pan too. Alright? I come here and say, we are working now. You have a work now.
Grease up which palm?
I see your palm, them, man.
Grease up which palm?
Oh, yourself.
Let me tell you something, you know.
I have something for you.
Let me tell you something.
I have something for you.
Let me tell you something. Me get a work, yes.
Yeah.
But you would even want to know how go on. The baby sister when if you come stay with the baby, she not come and me have to carry it and go work with me. How you think that look now?
What do you say? My youth, they can't go bar.
So?
What do you mean so?
So?
I just true me know say at the end of the day, me ready be a tour. You know? That's why I see man leaving the rain and that, but see me I said, I could get me out door, don't
You come like this a dead dog, you come like he don't know himself.
It's
It's a dead dog, you don't know himself. Get with youth. What you mean get the youth? What you mean when I say what you mean when I say if I can get the youth? What you mean?
One man you go watch you go eat 2 big steam fish, you tell me say.
So you tell me say you want.
Go spend 2 weeks.
You tell me say you want take me pitney when me carry for 9 months and push out and me home. You carry go watch if you look at thing girl and go touch me pitney. Eh?
So what make everything? What girl coming at this? Look, you see no girl sir?
So you want your destruction is to fall for me pitney. And your crosses girl and be fall for me pitney. So how long you want to take my
So make us up.
You answer my question.
Make us up. Yeah man, I'm not destruction. Yeah man, I'm not destruction.
No, because the point is I don't have a man. You understand? Me and you is 2 different things. For you gone, I don't talk to a next man. You know what I mean? I get one little talking do I say, find yourself a good man who can take care of you and the pitney and make the pitney call him daddy. Yes man. Somebody pinch me and tell me say I must get myself one good man. So my baby can call him daddy.
Come like you dip a craving in some coke before you light your head I go. Call who call the next man daddy?
You never know. You never know, so me head I go.
But you may say still and let me come, I never go follow you still now. Didn't go follow you still, but watch you man.
Watch him come with one bag of chattings.
Oh listen, here's that still.
Bag of chat.
You see style. Can't just looking at man, here's that still and just go and hold it down and know.
Oh, me if me I show me hand long in a so sitting where me not show me.
Up me and looking at the girl, see like this up me and looking at it and tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. I tell us that oh you see G, millions feet. So you say when we can go up on the watch side. That's a year money, no man, me and my youth money different, that's a years.
What make your name put it baby money?
No man, come to tell us more me and my youth go sport, man.
Well,
different, you know?
well, me and you can't go nowhere. You can't take him. I'm going with him for one day.
No man, post more about like a loving family like
No. No, me have to left me work today. I mean, I don't know where the boss goes so. No, me ain't not going away.
Me get
Me
a work.
hold the money.
Me get a work. No, your money that me not busy about that.
Me hold the money. You can't go on. No, me ain't not going
So
away.
you.
And he must sleep. Go on by your business. Check me back when you wake and carry money come.
Oh, yourself.
You can't take him for one day.
So just calm down, man. Just calm down.
Me calm, me calm. I can go on.
You touch probably watch your side for the weekend, yeah. Just think about it.
Come here, I ask you a question. Where you get the money here?
Yes, man.
The money here? How you come by?
The hard work you know.
What kind of hard work you do? Because I want to know, you know.
Know about that.
So if I the one way up on the phone, I don't want the people them send dopey for me and kill me. So
What make you very priest sound like a fool in me?
tell me where you get the money from. Construction.
Know yourself, man. Know yourself, man. You're hard working, you know. You figure me say you're a farmer now, you know, you sell yam and that kind of thing. Know yourself, man. Auntie, man. Know yourself, man. No dopey in the night, man. No dopey, no. Not worry about it. Holy Spirit today, thy Holy Spirit. Yeah? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You know where yourself. You're blessed, man.
You know what I'm blessed, you never know.
Say.
Yeah. No, I can't take that style, no, man. I can't take that style, I may live long time. Nobody can see much you can money can't give it.
So you say, can give you a sister to you know? Where you say?
What all this
A
is stuck
different
here?
thing I know, man, a different
Oh, where you get this stuck here
You
from?
don't know.
So you make this money and feel like say?
I mean, a different ball game now. A different time, man. Everything change. Yeah, they say money not change people, but money change my life. You know, believe in me?
I'm change the life.
It can change for you too. Just let me help you, mama, where you going so far? We done been a struggle long already, you know.
Let me tell you how you walk this now. You don't have no mind of your own. You come. So man, you will want to say you're going and look at the baby asleep and kiss him. But you don't chat to me. That chat to me. Remove yourself. Huh?
No, we can't step up in your
Remove yourself. Since I can't tell me, boy, you know, boy, you're a pity can't call no man daddy and this and that. Be serious and step in there. Go on in there.
See, the problem you want to come create a son, you know. So I mind give me the child youth, like you the child if tap me for and see my youth, you know. So because they go so as me come back as a first time I come with problem, you know. You know what? You know what? You know, I like come over there. Yeah.
Fly by the pitch by night.
Go on, man. Yeah. Go on.
Hey, you wait. If you have me dirty brother, I can yes, I can dash them again and yes.
Sister, Marika. What's up, sister? One. I'm walking on a fine. You know, sometimes my strip. I'm walking on a
That's no matter with your name too much, man.
Remember, say last one, when they have a fire, they destroy and make a man cut it up there. Remember?
Because be a bad man, people live up
That's
there.
tell us. You live near your neighbor, you have over neighbor, one of your man partner, I don't know why.
It's all right, Pondo. That's so still. But I can't go catch you, come, mama.
Wow.
I don't know, somebody get one new work up by bar.
Listen to me, sister. And what happened? What go on?
I don't know. It's like she don't want work. Every morning she late, and then when she not late, our pitney come with her and then look at something. I'm not like that something there.
Boy,
Like
me not like this people business. Listen, me not like this people business. Me not like it. I get me confused. But differently though. If you did know say she should stay from the first place, why you get her?
Never know say so she stay. And when me take her in, we find out say so she stay.
Jesus Christ, rough. You're my young people, I don't want to work. I'm going to crash out the hand, so I beg. $50. Beg I want to crave me there. I just that they want to do. You understand? They don't want to work nowadays. So I say, hey, I have to work, you know. But different though. You know, I can't shop there. That's going good. I mean, I can't up on the side to answer me, you know.
Yeah, care.
Mm.
Wait, the long and short. You know, no care up there.
Hmm?
One girlfriend.
Sister, you forgot the last time. Let me get you much people that we left. What you want to care for again?
Purpose. I want big old patrol in the road. I'm dropping in the patrol and the patrol just boom, lick out to like a wheel.
Why boom lick out? You're not seeing. You're not see. Sister, I'm not don't care, sister. I'm not don't care, but different me I say no.
I'm not don't care, bro. You're feeling me, brother and sister, and you feel me.
Sister, listen, I love you. I'm not warrior. I want to see uplift, but I'm not give you no care. You've already found somebody else. But differently though. You talk about that girl up your bar. I see you want to see them up there now, no sure?
No, I'm tell you something. I don't want to go in the bar because I just want. Right now, I look one next girl to come stay in the bar. I want to hire somebody else.
Who you wait, no?
Because I don't want them in the bar. I can't manage.
Let me tell you something now. Them man nowadays, you know. As if them come to my bar, and look, then someone ugly face in the bar, and him face says so, then turn back. Remember say customer them used to you. So if they come on the bar and they don't see you, they must turn back. That means you lose 5,000 a day, you know. You remember say you the customer them used to.
I understand that, but right now I have other mission I deal with, so I have to have somebody else in the bar. I not say sometimes I not go in the bar, and sometimes I go in the bar.
Boy, I wish I could help me. I want a jail girl around this up. You know what I feel left it. God kill me. Every day you want to talk about Popeyes and KFC. Go hard. I have to watch people care. Go hard. That thing when I go and I carry wheels up, and I remember say no much dirt I come for another. Sometimes I open the car door and I look for the mat, the amount of dirt. Not trying not to understand me at all about
Well, I
sister.
don't wash car, so I don't really
And that me I try to show you. So right now, either get a bartender put in your bar, or you lock it down.
Lock down one. Lock down your car wash.
Me can't lock
I
it
don't
down.
feel lock down. You go tell me feel lock down your bar. But since this go and go sit down in there, you go tell me.
But my work,
Go and lock down your car wash and lock down your car rental.
but
You
sister,
outside that
but my
bread.
work I don't give me problem. Are you fear you work I give you problem and you come to me with your problem, you know?
You're not talking nothing with sense in me. Better you go on. And pick up. Go on. No, one.
I should go to the road.
Let me strike me.
I'm going to go, wait.
Me have a bad mind.
Yeah.
Oh.
May I brother and sister, you can't take a two look.
So rent me car then since me and brother and sister.
Eh?
See you come them off me plum them off fire tree. That's if rent me
Rent
car. You can them me plum them.
Rent
Pass.
what's me say now? You better go buy a bicycle, man. You better go buy a bicycle. Buy a bicycle so you can't jump in the road and not the bend. Rim can't bend now, rim can't broke. You buy a new one. Go up!
Still boy, you see.
Yeah, man, you know Cherry's Lane. Yeah, you see when you come down in the lane, you see there's a bossy corner. You see one white, one concrete white house. Yeah, upstairs and downstairs. Yeah. So we are going to check the from. Okay, can we really appreciate you stand up for me at the bar now. Yeah, man. Alright, just come. Me there on the veranda. Yeah.
I pray, mama. And some day I do a dream and one bag of some boy you do certain things are bother me for children. I wish I stop boy that come into what day because he's still a bother me from what day. And I say a real dirty man for children. The man for buy baby one sweetie and take it back.
I'm a brother.
Hey your brother?
Hey.
Judge.
I say you look dirty dog then. Sorry, I let about you.
No son, no real that bother me. I know say no real life though. From the day that me see you from the time there, me I say judge of God. You know.
I just have a bit.
It's like, no, no. We can't
So
Judge,
sweet though.
you mean?
I don't know what just I can do.
No, it's like you must show me in a vision.
Come on, man, tell me food is
I
now.
don't want to talk about it, you know.
Where do you like me?
Why? You never that me feel, you know.
So we're free.
Something though, something.
Man, the black chicken.
The devil. Guys, at least me feel something.
Come no man and talk get deep and you come for cause I have something to
Tell
come
me, get me a get tip and tell me come to tell us about what are you. Yeah man, what you say?
So who does some skin though?
No say,
Anyway,
no say I really like
as you can see, me have a youth,
you.
right? Me have a youth. And I'm before left.
Oh,
I'm at a good time and I heal up myself.
you yourself.
So I don't like to, I'm going to want next relationship. But me I take my little time.
Yeah man, but that doesn't mean you can't.
You understand? Never say that. So if you say I go put in the work now, you come as a man now and say no say.
Respect.
Sir, would I like to make up on a date and
Oh.
you understand?
Uh-huh.
So you can't expect to just come and get me some.
No, I never say I go just come and get us. That's why I come to you and make you know what's what. I know for our day, I premeditate to myself and sit down and say, Judge God. Only if I get a chance to talk to yourself, I say, I know for our day, I say, you know, like you need the power and good mood. And I say, you know, yeah, man. Man, there are no things that I just vanish myself and disappear. You know? Mm-hmm. In real life. So that is different.
That's a thing to stay going easy.
That's
Cool out.
easy.
You know, sir? You could just see my lose no work. How can you have a nephew? And you just come fling on other times and to give back sweetie money.
I'm not going to say, I don't know, good man style that man. I'll feel woman, sorry for feel woman. If I say,
I'm box no one box me in face. Oh.
That I want to talk about still, you want to talk about in a real life, you know, because why it's like you try distract me with I don't even know what to say.
What do you want to talk about? Because just
The amount of things I want to talk to you about is like every time I think about something else, kick with the something there, and then the something else kick with the one the way they come before that and one bag of say, I'll be a kick with
then you mind a kick with that kick with this.
Then that me I try to show amount of things upon my mind to tell you, it's like, I don't know which one to choose, but I know. But in time mind settle down and think, man, you know. In real life, because I start thinking about when I want to sit here, I made start happening. In real life.
When I made that, because you confuse me. I want me big man, I don't want me. I want me? Huh?
Yeah, no.
Where can I have a thing here?
Whole heap of things, my friend.
Whole heap of things?
Yeah, man, whole heap.
I ready to take up a responsibility too.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not going to take up your name.
What one?
There.
Nah.
Yeah.
Man, talk to me.
Give me a second.
Yeah, we talk, man. Know yourself. I don't want to come on now.
Yeah.
What going on about already?
Let me tell you something now about the baby.
Yeah, well, they tell me that, but I reach at work and you never have the baby.
I'm going to check my brother. I want him to set the baby. No. The same baby on the run off. And the man come on the bar, the baby come and nash back for me. That happened.
So that's why you lock up my bar.
Yeah, you want
So you never call me and let me know what I want. You just lock up my bar and cancel. And let me lose customer and my money this so.
No, you know, I'm bad mood. Cause you bring down one crowd and disgrace for me. And I just take my rest, just lock my bar and move out for my time.
Alright then, I can do a favor for me.
What kind of favor?
My brother will want a car rental, right? But so me and not chat. I'm more one car for rent. So you go rent, me go give money and everything for go rent the car and car for me. Yeah, that money. You can do that?
I win that.
Today, this evening, morning.
Oh, give me money now.
Eh?
Give me money now.
Relax, so not be when I'm ready everything.
I'm ready for a long time. I'm going to me now. I like to color me a catch.
Alright then.
Yeah.
So we can't, like that. I can't look down so.
That was so man. Alright. No, auntie man, go and do it. We don't
Because
diploma.
I get the car in the evening. You go do your job?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you do it good too, you know.
Come on me.
Alright, make sure. As a matter of fact, a certain time look blinky like we know fall. How go do it now? Because it makes sense to do it.
Hold on. Which brother I talk about? I'm still kind of...
I want
Mad in
brother
my head,
Amy
you know.
and Brad's. And you run one car rush out to do this.
Let me tell you something. You have to understand that I want to sing, mother.
No.
I mean, I like how you deal with the situation. Me not like that. Me never expect that from you.
How do you do this?
You understand what you mean by how you deal with the situation? Can you see it? Now you want me how you deal with the situation? Eh? You know, somebody come back to your workplace. Where am I now? You see it? You see how you always going in life? You know you account for me, you know, if you do something for you. No, this a little dirty man that come and now with film rubbish in my ears. I don't know why I'm up to you now.
But I understand.
But at the end of the day, the point of me I get to. When I was know how to deal with people. Because you know me as a single mother.
Listen to me. Business are business. I'm not mix business with no friendship. Because when you come on to my money, me not laugh, me not play. So you see when you come to my workplace and bring down chaos and disgrace at my workplace, how you expect me to feel?
Well, this a woman and now put business over in Pitney. So if you want me to do this something for you, hurry up.
Yeah, but do it because I get money for do it.
Yes, and you have to pay me for do it too.
Really? Yeah, man, I get it.
And you have to pay me for do it too.
No,
No, you can't. You have to pay. Like a joke thing.
What you mean say now come home? What you mean say now come home? Me and the Bridget just up and down in a new car. What's the problem? I became man of a new car. Eh? Me don't understand. I'm a Bridget ISIS. So I don't understand what you're creating scene. Yo, when I can walk on me yard, sir? Eh? When you walk on me, yo.
Me no come to you.
What you mean say no come to me?
No, wow.
Yo, I want brother say walk on me yard like say in Libya. Yo, you know how much money me spend for that place, yeah? Me soon call you back and make sure you come on, that me I tell you. Yo, where them here, Bridget? Eh? I mean, some want live here.
Only you want live here, Jenna. I'm saying I look for.
Yeah, I feel like you come up a Bridget for the wash. What make you wash the car, brother? Eh?
If you come
The car was up
I
now.
have some questions. I'm the responsive man place if I not.
Are you tell him man say I wash the car? You tell him man.
Come like in the air.
Let me say something to me.
I feel car.
And
Who are that concerned if me tell him man say yes or
me
no?
just feel like say you tell him man say don't want the car. And me I said don't walk through me yard, sir. When you see me yard, don't walk. What you doing when you say Bridget? I pray.
Take you look sweetie, if you look baby, me I pray, you know you.
Me?
No, me alone no.
Let me say look.
Me no come to you.
Me not say me. I mean I tell you walk through me yard like say you feel like a fear. I mean you live here, sir. Eh? I mean you live here, sir. Brother, me don't want to see the place, but yo, right now you give me corrupt, brother.
No,
you have to make certain things don't work, eh? What you mean say they must not man pray? Eh?
Nothing happen to a certain place or other people.
Me don't want no help from you, brother. Me don't need no help from you. Me don't need no help from you, brother. I'm only a step to me, brother. When me say win that one, I'm yard of them, me call police for you. I'm call police for you. Hey, I'm call police for you. Don't come back on me yard, sir. I'm a step on the tomato on this, brother. My brother can walk on me yard and go as a fiend place. Eh? You must money me, yo, all the neighbors are here me I say right now. That vibes are feeling good, brother. So I can't take certain things, you know. Where you there? Where you pan reach your yard? Interview can't last for a day and a half. Where you go? Which interview? Eh? They help me out. What? A surgery you gotta do? Find your yard. Don't me find you, you know. When I walk through my yard like that, me I feel. How we ain't got to?
Look, classic. I pray I'm doing. Look. Chopper. Boss, like you go for one dance last night, mate. Like you can't wake up. What want?
Work, man, work.
I know you don't do it.
That's stress, my boy.
No, they made it for true. Everything go differently.
You know. I jump for early company work and thing, you know.
So me I want one prayer to show you too, you know. That me reach up there, you know.
Every town have the mix up on the
No,
store now,
listen
come
up.
and tell me. Eh?
That you know what hear what me have to say, let's say.
Brother, money making place, sign up. Where has it top?
You know say. You don't link on one catty since evening. Remember Rasta when he come out with ISIS.
The rest of you.
You ever tell us say be excitement to go on to my bar with.
Yeah.
You don't know say I'm gonna look for the catty and see the man.
Yeah.
Man I go along the most way. You walk through me on do this, do this, be a chatting in the pan with me. Brother, man I go tell me one bag check me man check me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you want to lick in your face.
That him a tell me say but boy don't know say them say him win there around there and just throw a pin at me, you know. Say I bring the room, but what time in China make a buck him for the road.
Around when people are selling like some check on me to the road. You can't
Brother.
have people out there.
No, what you know?
Around.
That's why I tell you say me accept me wrong and tell him say
Just
we
walk
win the
one.
war.
Eh?
Yeah.
I'm say about yourself, run it.
No, you man.
You know what say? Watch out now. You know what say? You think I want to look for my sister. You understand? She have me know say, in bartender, she have move off you like you know want to work. You know what I mean? So she asked me say, if you know no bartender, you know no bartender.
Why? Me know none right now, no right now.
God know. I want sensible one.
I be a mad girl, me know and me know none right now. We can hear when me know you have a like, you know, your business place and you have to attract people.
Yeah, because if they man see ugly girl in them bar,
You know, that me I try to show you. And about ugly, you know, and about ugly.
But me I tell her the right thing, you know.
Yeah.
I tell her say she stay in the place. Because the customer them used to her. You understand? Then come and see different people, you know.
You see your sister. Your sister one bar boy.
Yeah, me man. Now wealthy family, they wealthy, you know. Yeah, bro. This one I say now. I tell her say stay at the bar because the customer them used to her. You see, me not pretty sister, but you know, she's pretty and nice. Man, them love to see pretty girl in the bar. But what day, renting one car and mash up a wheel. I'm going to go to my friend back one of my car them again.
You're mad.
Because I can't do that, sister.
No, you're mad.
You understand? Can't do that. Right now, I'm gain more than I lose right now. If you see me, I'm alone there back there, that's all. Me alone. What's it there? After I go a road. I'm wealthy, I'm man, you know. Me have bar. I'm making one money. Yes, I make my own money too.
And then I'm there, I make some so one day.
You know why?
No.
Then America.
Are your sister that?
Yes, my same one is that through, man.
Really no manners, you know, me just know who we are talking about.
Actually, you get high scholarship in the school,
Sister
that's why I'm going
feisty, you know, you.
That's why I'm going to better people
What
and
do
chat to
you
people.
me pull up our bar, you know? I see him bar Rasta man pull up to, you know. Be attitude, one bag of him girl that give me you.
I'm going to talk to my sister because she really not know manners. She not know manners.
Brother, a couple of my dad them say me I go carry bar you, but you see there when he give me attitude,
Yeah.
change my mind. You come here and say, see me carry me dad them from outer port come in come in and so.
Customer come in. I'm soon come wash your bars. Park over there, sir. See that?
Yeah man, I say
Alright. Yeah,
watch
man.
out now. The girl, no man don't talk to him, tell him say you have a big highly respect people around on my bar, but that's why the attitude. Come
So,
on,
you know.
come on, I tell you know, I'm here the government them apart, you know you.
Yeah, who?
The government them.
Who government them?
I mean, the politics business them, and I say yo.
Me no in them.
No, you're not fit in it, you know.
Brother, watch your man.
You're not fit in it, don't talk.
Politics not feed me, they not put down the food, they not put down my pot. Brother, I want you, brother.
That's why me I tell
Move
you your
faster.
sister bar for them all of
Brother,
that. They
move
go like,
faster.
you tell me say.
Brother, but
Yeah, tell me, say.
but talk to Mr. about politics,
You
talk to
tell me
me.
say. No, me never tell, me not talk
Mr.
to you about me, I tell you say. Me I tell you say.
Look at us green the palm house are orange.
No, me never sit down for your
Ah,
house.
what?
None of them pan for me neither. None of them pan for me
That's very
neither.
orange, I agree. None of them. So this is what me I say now. When you go in the street and you find no man in the street who want to work and go and help because you can kill me here.
Alright, me make you know what really I go on them, the G.
I don't feel like tired right now, so I sleep, bro.
Make you know what I go on. Come
Alright,
on.
big up yourself,
Say, I
Jay.
see me boy over there, so.
any car you get to pick. Understand? But you always have so expensive car around the but if you not forget no expensive, you not forget expensive car. Understand?
So mama, what make you do one expensive car?
It don't really matter. I just want to go to town. I have to reach a town by
Well,
morning.
anything I say. Anything I say, as I say, get anything money come up to so. Alright. Angry bang. Yeah.
Hello, Princess. What's up? Good evening. How may I help you? Car. What kind of car come for it?
Let's take one. Oh yeah, vessel.
Eh?
A market, the one there.
Range.
One the range different.
Well, you know, market price different from range price, you know. The markets, you know, at 30,000. You understand, for 3 days. Range at 50,000 for 1 day. You know, they're expensive.
What kind of car wash that? What is this our car wash and rental?
Car wash and rental.
And
Rental
rental.
by yourself, car wash over there, sir.
What kind of rental is stupid this near
What you mean?
the prices?
What you mean?
In that 50,000
Because
for 1
listen
day
now,
for one range.
because if I drive it, I pop off the wheel, I mean I have to go fix it. If I drive it and scratch it, I mean I have to go pay man to spray back. So it expensive for me. And sometimes the people them go drive me and wreck it and they don't tell me until me go test drive it, wreck. I tell you about black people, man, it's hard to satisfy. So how much money you have? You look nice, bro.
I don't want the market.
Nah, like,
I come here now, I mix business with pleasure, right? So I come want the market. I go want the market to rent. I need to come board.
you know, say me tell you the truth, the market say, somebody that come for you know, but me have a black vaccine. But it's more better for you. You understand? It's well tilt up too. I want to come off, I want well tilt up and things. So, when you say I go the vaccine, because somebody that come to this right now, you give me half my money already. So the friendly and nice and slim. Yes, man. Slim and nice. I like to tattoo them, my basil, my hat. All of them see a girl so nice and slim like a mermaid. Woo! Not take care of you, know. I don't know. Girl like I want to have a hot money. Not take care of you still. Help me and me help you. Yes. You live in a man also? Because I don't want to pass you.
What if me give one chance?
What you mean, man?
What
I
if
love
me give
that.
one chance? And we say, alright then. Because I look for in this sense, you know, say. If me give a chance, you tell me say you can help because you have money.
What you mean, man? Me help you and you help me.
What if me give a chance and we just start it off like this? Me give half my money.
Oh, you mean, man? I know you're talking
And it
business.
start,
Yes.
and it starting like over here. So what you say?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I work with you so much. What you mean?
You see, me like a human sense where you know. You see, me can look for you and say I have money.
All you talk, all you
But
talk.
not really money me there so far.
See all you talk.
understand?
See all you talk. You see them got me. Oh, you can't get me more, you know. You have to give me another for your fire. Can't take that.
Yeah, put on a minute.
Hold him, man.
You
Put
know,
it,
okay,
man.
me go show me. Go show
Yeah, man.
me
What's
the
going
car.
on, man? Just put the number because I know how to stay on tricks. Full of tricks and style, you know. 364 4313. You get it? 364 4313.
Alright, me save you as babes.
Oh,
So
Jesus! Great! Woo! Let's see if you didn't sleep, bro. I swear to God. So where you want to go
You ready
tonight?
if you can go show
Come
me
on,
the
come on, man. I'm not foreigner. Alright, let's come. Jump. No, jump over there. Come.
dog, like, alright, alright.
Sorry, dog.
Nah, run. You see, say, I want space, you know.
Oh.
I want chill.
Nah, like, it's nice too, you know.
Yeah.
It's like pretty friendly.
Just stay at one easy. Let's say I go on now.
No, you can't.
You come like every time they run me, you can't stop smiling.
No, cause it give me something to smile, boy, you know.
Okay.
So, let me smile with you.
No, you just a say.
Oh.
Always your son quiet and that, you know.
Yeah, man. My brother not there. My father, your brother deal with me and we have to just, you know.
I saw him go on, man. You know there though. And even if he need there, who busy about him?
You mean, I can't take no disrespect in the idea, yeah.
If he come face me to them, make a show him disrespect.
Mm.
Oh. As I can see, some baby not even there.
So that time, them media meds and I say, Judge, God, me even look on advice, you know.
Well,
I mean,
no, say father couldn't take him for some time, so
oh.
I guess that you're the lucky one.
Mm.
You see, you know, so me really, if you get one chance, it's true. If you get one chance, and you're very lucky. You see, you come at the right time. But I say, see me now, so free.
Oh.
You understand? Yeah.
Then we had it for you.
Mm.
Then we had it.
I'm like, what you tell, babe?
You like it?
Mm.
Then we had the money, you know. So I plan for tomorrow.
Room enough.
Yeah.
Boss lady, what go on? General, big up yourself, father.
Go on.
Then no saw no see vehicle come back and no understand what going on, you know. I told you no vehicle left the premises and I know you can't come back. Where my vehicle is, miss? Where's my vehicle?
What do you mean by you not get back? You sure you not get back your vehicle?
Save me get back your vehicle, right? Your vehicle no down up there. My vehicle now up there park up. Where's my black vaccine? You say one for 1 day, not 2 days. You look at me like say you don't know what I talk about, like I first you see me. You say come from my place. And show me and look you and you look me. We drop half price.
That's a one.
So what you know now? Me need my vaccine key, I need my vaccine.
Dog shit, left me out.
We are taking
Left
for
me
yard.
out. Just left me out.
That's how we want to go around.
Listen.
And take man things and come and dark shit.
Left me
Eh?
out. Cause you are going, you come to me right now, you are posing for me.
I mean pose for your
You don't
brain.
know what happened now, me don't know what happened either.
Where's my vaccine?
Go on.
General, me know you respond
Yeah,
about
come
this.
in
Are
country.
you catty? Hey woman.
Yo, go on now.
You know what?
Me will call you
Let
now
me for
even
yard
now.
now.
Me will call Lincoln now even now, make sure you get a car. Go on
Oh,
now.
make sure now. Come in now. Hanky thing in there now. What? Make sure.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Hello. Marika. Oh, we can't reach you. Because you make something, that's why I don't mix and mingle with dog, you know. Because we catch flea. You see, your brother come here with one. Go link you. Alright, now go link you. May I go up on the road here? Because I have something I need to take care of. So,
What's a car? Just call me.
yeah, man. Yeah. I'm about to call me out to me here. Let's not spend that time. talk before me talk.
Girl, I said when you come back, then you know. One man just lick up in my back part and lick out two and I start singing in there. So right now I'm not even over there. But guess what? You can't go back here. You have to go carry me back. But guess what? You can't go face my brother with this and so you have to go take the blame for me.
Mama, listen to me, Mama. That's when me rent the car, me get it good and proper. You understand? You tell me, say, me have to go take this a responsibility. Yeah? You must be crazy. Me can't help you, help me down. No, me no go so. Me say, me can't help me down. That's not good for help people.
I lose customer from the bar, you know.
Well, here we go on.
So
You
guess
have to,
what?
no,
You have to help me
no.
out.
This is a bigger problem. You have to fix this yourself. For your brother, want your brother and tell your brother that. Me not take no blame for nobody at all. You hear me? I tell you. Well, honey, guess what? Remember you tell me me no business. Remember you tell me you say this money no mix with what pleasure. So here we go on. The car now mix with my life right now. So you go on. No matter how to me go for your brother and tell your brother say. And you me rent the car for and you mash up it and me go clear my name, mama. Me I go clear my name. Cause you nah make me and nobody no vibes at all. You understand? Listen to me. Listen to me. You see any business I have with you? Call it a day. I mean, me not think more about no more work with you. Yeah. So exactly. So go take your blame. Right.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?